All right, today I'm taking a look at the Poho pill organizer. Yeah, this is a nice soft plastic on here. So this is the flexible kind. So this is the better style. So I've seen the ones where it's more of a harder plastic, but those things just shatter. I don't like those at all. This is the type of plastic that I like. We can see everything on here is labeled pretty well, so we can tell exactly what we're looking at, even if we don't have our glasses on in the morning. So that's really nice. And on here, same thing. So we can see it says Wednesday, nice and big, and morning and night. And this is made out of the same more flexible feeling plastic, so this thing, it feels like it's going to last. So I really like that. Yep. Okay, no smells, so that's really important. We got plenty of space in here for fitting everything that you need. Yeah, nice little container. I like that. So everything kind of has its own spot too, so I don't have to worry about this thing really rattling all over the place and getting mixed up. It just fits right where it's supposed to. I've seen a few of these, and I really like this one just because of that. Because there's no, like this thing isn't trying to fall over as soon as I pull this out. That's really nice. Everything's got its own spot. So that's the way it should be. I like that a lot. So yeah, overall, real nice pill organizer.